Oh, little Dilbert, you love Christmas and opening your presents, but this one's not yours, you cute little thing. But that's okay. We don't mind beak marks and stuff. Oh, you don't want that one? Dilbert. Yes. Are you going to take all the bows off of someone's present, you silly little guy? But that's okay. Little Dilbert. Yeah. Someone's going to have beak marks in their present. Little Dilbert. Sweet little love. Yes. Who do you think you are, you cute little guy? Yeah. You just think everything is yours, sweet little Dilbert. But that's okay. How about, here, let's do a high five. High five? Oh, thank you.
High five? Oh, yes.
Good boy, Dilbert. Are you all done? Are you ready to say bye? And go eat some more seed? Yes. We love you.